Hi, I'm Sebastian. I'm a video maker living in the south of Spain, and today I would like to show you the Sirui 50mm 1.8 anamorphic lens. Okay, so this is how the box looks like when you receive it. 50mm 1.8 Sirui anamorphic lens. Little picture of the front of the lens on the side, and sealed obviously, and a little magnet mechanism in order to open it, or to prevent it from opening itself. So then we open the lid. Lens sits nice and snug in here, so it won't go anywhere while transport. And this is how the lens looks like. Very sturdy, very hefty feel, not too heavy, just perfect, and very robust impression. Everything's aluminum and metal, and the focus ring, same as the aperture ring, are very smooth. Looks like this when we take the lid off. This is the lens, and when we're going to give it a try, opening and closing the aperture. So yes, really looking forward to give it a try. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the people at Sirui to sending this lens to me in order to try it. And for me, in my case, I'm shooting on the Sony a6500. The lens itself will be shipping in February for Panasonic, Fujifilm, Sony and Zcam cameras with the relevant mounts. And I would like to show you today some differences between this particular lens and the normal lens while shooting. So I personally always wanted to shoot anamorphic, but I never had the chance to do that. If you're into video making, you might probably already know why. Those lenses are really expensive, but this little lens is going to change it all, because right now you can get it as an early bird package on Indigogo for as less as 538 euros. And once the campaign is over, you will be able to get it for around 600 euros in total. So for me, I tried out the lens. I'm going to show you some differences and some shots I made, and there's absolutely no downside to it. I completely fell in love with it. Everything I shot with this lens looks amazing. It is super easy to handle, it is very robust, and I just can highly recommend it, because I don't want to give it back. I want to keep this lens and keep shooting on it. I use it on my a6500, and as I said, I'm very happy with it. So if you're interested in this lens, have a look at the link in the description. You will be directed to the Indigogo website for this particular Sirui 50mm anamorphic lens, where you can also purchase it, and you will be able to receive it in February 2020. If you want to know and see more about this lens, please subscribe to my channel. I will be making more videos with it and about it, because I also found out that it fits right into my underwater housing. And for the future, there will be more lenses coming up in this lineup. There will be more focal length and different focal length anamorphic lenses from Sirui. So as I said, please subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.